Hello there everybody, Sam's Trains here, welcome back to the railway and welcome back to another 1 Minute Wonder. So many modern expensive Bachmann steam locos have this amazing feature of an opening smoke box door on them. But did you know that Triang Hornby first did this way over 50 years ago? In 1967 they released this, the M7 locomotive. Not only does it have an opening smoke box door, but there's even detail inside. Now what's amazing about this is that unlike Bachmann, Triang Hornby locos were designed to be extremely cheap and affordable, and so features like that are just incredible. Oh, and also this loco has a bulb inside the firebox too, so that you can see it glow when it runs. That must have been absolutely state of the art at the time, and so for me this is a 1 minute wonder. So if you know of any other models or curiosities that would make for a good 1 minute wonder video, please let me know down in the comments and I will definitely consider that for a future video.